Alright guys, what up? Welcome back. Got the GYTR A-arm guards all mounted up. I actually didn't see an install video for these. It was actually pretty easy, as most of you probably already know. But I went ahead and two-toned them. Insides are blue, outside is black. And I think it looks pretty good. Came out alright. But basically I just put them in place in position while I already had each one of the screws already in the clamps. So you put the clamps on the inside of the A-arm guard and the bolt on the outside, for those of you that don't know how to do this, and put them all in position, put them up there and just tighten them down. It was rather easy. It probably took me 10 minutes, but I did them two-tone just to be different. I haven't seen anybody two-tone these yet, so looks pretty cool. I think I did a pretty good job. Now if I could just get that CP stabilizer powder coated black, that'd be pretty cool, huh? But yeah, GYTR A-arm guards finally came in. I actually just got a message from Rocky Mountain ATV because I ordered the A-arm guards and the heel guards, which is why the plastic ones are off. They said early August. Now they've actually been pushed back to late August, August 31st. So I actually just got the email today. I ordered both of these at the same time, roughly 6 weeks ago, maybe 7 by now. I finally got the A-arm guards, as you guys saw, and now I'm just waiting on the heel guards. So they pushed them back again, guys, so we got to wait a little bit longer. But those Nerf bars I bought were for a 450, not Raptor. So look pretty good though. Pretty cool. All right, see you guys.